Hello everyone! Start off by taking this vegetable, cut off the top and then slice it right through the middle. Proceed to cut off all the corners as such and then taking a pencil or any sort of color pencil, mark it out as such. Now cut it out according to the shape. You may use a knife to do so. At the top, make little slits in the side as such and make it look like wings. Do this until you reach the back and finally this will be the end product. Make a division in the middle and spread it out. Now add a little beak in the front as well and then you should have yourself a bird. Make the eye using a marker. Take one of the remaining pieces and then cut it out in the shape of an iceberg as such. Stick one on top of the other using some super glue and then slightly paint it in blue as such. Now put the birds on top of this. Next, we will start off by taking this vegetable, take a knife and then cut right through the center. Start off by taking a color pencil and then cut off the sides after making these markings in the center. Taking the excess portion of it, cut out the outer peel of it and then this is what it should begin to look like. Slowly begin to slit a lot of the sides as such and then remove an inner layer. Curve the edges as such. Make an inner slit and then spread it out. As you continue to spread it out as such, you will be adding more and more layers to it as you progress. Now continue on to do this. Spread it out and then make more and more layers as you go on. You will be making a kind of flower. Keep doing this until you reach the center. It will be a kind of rose. Don't forget to alternate between the sections that you keep inside. This will be the final look of your vegetable. Next, we will start off by taking this kind of vegetable. Now, cut out all the corners of it as such. Once you have done this, once you have cut off the edges, remove all of the corners. Now, begin to slowly make multiple slits and then cut off the alternate slits. This will add more space and definition to your flower. Continue to do so for multiple layers until you reach the center. Now, after you have done it, this is what it should look like. Continue on until you reach the center and once more, keep trimming the edges of it as such. Next, take a carrot and then peel out little bits of this carrot. Once you've done so, dip them in a little bit of seeds as such. After this, add them to the center of your flower to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. This will be the final look. You may also spray paint the edges in one particular color to make it look all the more better. We have chosen to spray paint it in a little shade of peachish pink. Cut out this bottle shape to begin with and then slice it out in this vase-like shape. Once you have done this, cut out the base as well and then using the blade, cut out the top and greenish portions of it. Now after this, take a little lemon and then cut out the shape of a tail as such. Once you have cut out the shape of this tail, cut out a little yellow bit as well, insert one on top of the other and then attach it to the top of this vase-like structure. Add little stairs to it to make it look all the more better. Finally, once you reach the bottom, take the peel of a cucumber or any other such dark gourd and then make two slits out of it. Stick it upwards as such. Make it look like a sitar and then add greens on either side of it as such. Make sure that it is firmly inserted. Start off by taking a vegetable, then cut out the sides of it. Cut out two of the sides and then using any sort of color pencil, make these markings onto it and then make a slit according to these markings that you have created. Take your little color pencil and then line the back as well and cut it out in the shape of a chair. Make little inserts into it as such. Make little slits that you would see in a chair. We have made two of them and then one at the top and one at the bottom as well. Add layers to it and then add depth as well. Now as you continue to slit each of it, you may begin to cut out the sides at the bottom as such. That is, you will make the legs of the chair all the more defined. Make this go through all the way so that there is a complete gap and you are left solely with the legs of this chair. Now, after you are done, this is what it should begin to look like. Instead of going all the way from one side of it, make sure that you go from all four sides as such to make it all the more easier. Once again, add layers by trimming the sides. This will be the final look of your chair. You may also make a table out of the same vegetable. Thank you for watching.